Hello, amazing animals fans. In this short, meet the bird known as the shoebill. Its massive beak is a powerful hunting tool. It can stay perfectly still for hours, then strike with lightning speed. It lives in swamps and wetlands, playing a key role in the ecosystem. Watching it fly is unforgettable, pure majesty in motion. But it faces serious threats like habitat loss and illegal hunting. Just a quick glimpse into its story. Amazed? Then hit subscribe and share this with someone who loves nature. See you in the next amazing animals.